Hi everybody, good afternoon. I'm doing the next task for initial access discovering the root cause, where it started, and they give us an idea. It was a Office 365. So there was a phishing campaign against one of the accounts. They got the password. So now we're investigating how all this happened. So I'm using my remote desktop. I'm using the X3 RDP. So they give us first of all, let's go there. We have the tools they always give us, but we already have them in desktop. We have this one, MS Team Pasa, which we need this one. We have the users, most is Ramirez, so is nothing what have he has he download MS Team setup, so we have this information already there. We have document he doesn't his where is his desktop? There's nothing in desktop. Do we have a hidden file? Okay. And then we can go to updata because we can go, we have Google Chrome, we have Squirrel temporary. What is Squirrel? It's an email. In this room we'll have an email, so we also need a Chrome history. So this is the path of the Chrome history data. Now we start inside this one for the team, the shot. We can launch it now, so we can have some time later on. Paste and go. And then we have I have a DB, SQL DB, and then okay, we're trying to get now the history, so you can copy the path. Control T. I need this path, so you can go to hint site and just put the path default. Very important here is change your time zone. I did a mistake. I spent a couple of hours rabbit holes here. So UTC, change the time to UTC and let it run. And then because the shot is we have team, we can confirm that from this room. You know, this is very important. Windows application for music. I will try to do tomorrow the for this room. If we follow the same instruction, let's say there, we can confirm that team exists. Update our room in Microsoft Teams, so we have it for 2 users, for Ramirez. And then so if I do this team ls index db, I think index db, we are more interested in this file, the one that has a database for us. If we follow now interesting, it already give us the way of we use the tool MS Team Parser. We already saw that and confirm that. Let's use the same technique used there. Oops, I didn't copy. Now the name of the person, because this is the room, so I need to have the name of the person. Our is a.ramirez, Ramirez. So we do the output to our output.json, and we have our file here, output of JSON. Let's pause now this. Let's go back to our Chrome file. He finished. Now we do it in 2 ways in the browser. Also, let's save the SQLite DB. Click this button. Then we can come back to our. Thus we have the output. If we follow the same step now, okay, let's try open that output. Where we save it in the administration. Okay, and a document, this PC, where I did save it. Output.json, of course, if you open with Notepad, is too much stories. You can scroll down of them and run, and then, but in the room in TryHackMe, they give us techniques to do it. So for example, we have the first one. to get to the MRI and use a principal, because if we open this, if we read there, you have this display name, email, MRI, and all of that. So we have one option to, why is not copying now? Copy. Now we got the value, the emails or something, but for us this is not very interesting. But the next one, let's say we want to combine a message with identical. We can try this one. The last one is more interested for me, it's easy to read it. So if I go there, now we get a whole bunch of emails, and still too much stories to read about it, but it's still fine for a moment. Let's get the other shell next to it. Where's the next one? Now we can pass each message entry sorted based on creation date. This is the most important for us, the creation date. And then what's this? Now this is image. Our is a phishing link, so we don't have an attachment, so we can use this. Let's copy the whole thing. I like someone need to save these PowerShells in the future, you can get them. Okay, we got that. So this one you can see, you can still read in between the line. Okay, this is the phishing part is already on the top, and then you have all this too much detail. This one I prefer this one. Let's scroll down, let's zoom this one. Let's go from the top and come back. You can, this is the team chat, so people are chatting here. Where is it? I go up to the beginning. Okay, so you can, they talking, that sound perfect, looking forward to hearing all about adventure, safe travel, vacant cities. So all of this is no, and then you give him message content, Airbnb. So this is not a phishing link, so it's just a normal link. Airbnb, going down. Then right, it was insane. I love how unpredictable spot can be. Perfect looking, absolutely. Hi Mike, it's been pretty good, thank you for asking. And then we need to, oh, here the story where it start. We value the security of our Microsoft account and we want to ensure that. So there is someone, message content, dear Alexi, sending a message in Alexi. Which while there is no immediate cause for concern, we recommend reviewing your account setting and security information to ensure everything is up to date and secure. As part of security measure, we kindly ask you to confirm your identity by accessing the following link. So you're asking him to to log in with password. So basically that's how they steal the password. So you can see the phishing link is this one. So we already got the answer for the phishing link. He said what? Defang the URL. I forgot how to defang the URLs. You can put that there. We should do also in just the points. I forgot how the / they stay. Huh? No, really. I forgot. Defang, don't tell me what I forgot. Oh, the point, and then that was correct. I forgot one dot. This dot. Oh, you put them together. I forgot that. So we have the URL. Now we have the time. The time is already here. So if you look to go down to the time, that's the 24th March 16:36:34. You can see the time is here. 16:36:34. 16:36:34. That's the time. and that is the time for this conversation. So he got this message. Now let's follow the discussion. What happened? Okay, the other colleague, they're still talking about this trip. What is your mood for? I'm thinking maybe Italian or Mexican food. Definitely. Awesome, thanks for recommendation. Casual place. How are you doing today? Where is that one? Thinking of you. Sound good. We still absolutely take care. How your day going, Sarah? Should be a way to have only the filter the. This is a message they tell him to install the software. Later, Alexi, a great day. Catch up, Sarah. Weekend. A new project I just assigned to team to relax. Sound good, Alexi. Catch you later. Agree, solid. I'm going to great opportunity. Listen. I replied to I should just log in. Yes, just use O365 account. So that's why I tell him try downloading the installer. So it makes sense when that folder before we have downloads. Not for administrator, for Ramirez. MS Team Setup. No, it's not that one. Why I don't see it in his download folder? And then yeah, definitely let's download and execute the software. So basically a person send him a link and he click on it. So we know now when it was, and you know the phishing link. What is this? The attacker. What's that email again? Yeah, sincerely a certain Microsoft identity provider. So we know then what's there. Now what left is what's the title of the phishing website and when the victim accesses that link. So basically this link. Now we have two ways to do it. Remember we did this, so we have this. So we have this, we can access now SQL in browser. Now select everything, and also we can get where what? No, not this one. Not extension. We're looking for timeline. I forgot that statement. Now we are now in. Let's go back to where is that the Edge, Microsoft Edge, because here you give you a nice. That's the same room you can see is using this, and then this statement where type equal URL. So we need to just filter the URL. So I can say limiter and say where type equal URL. And execute. Now we have all this URL. Now we need to look for, remember what we're looking for. We're looking for this one. Login at sourcesecure.com. So if we go back, this is Microsoft, so it's not Microsoft. This is team. I think is the last one, if not mistaken. Outlook, team, Microsoft, support, Outlook. Okay, this is one here. This login secure. If you however, I need to tell you common authentication, and you can see sign in your account. You can see that the title here. So we can get that one. So we already have that answer for sign your account. Now the time, let's now for the time is where is our link? Now I'm getting confused. Why the order is not I can't see in these things. How you the easiest way to do this is you can look here around it, or just come to the DB. Remember, we come to this DB, we saved the DB, so we can open it now. Let's file open database. We saved the file in download folder. That's what's in name hindsight report, so we can open it. Then we can browse data. I'm interested in timeline. We know it's how to zoom this thing. We know it's the name is source, so it is not Microsoft. Where is the others? No, we know the title now, sign in. So we know it's Microsoft of Lani. No, sign in your account. I'm getting confused now. Source secured. That's the name what I need to look for. Not this one. Source secure. So we have you can see that's the, now we look for our URL. So let's go there. Where is our URL? That the person's, that's it, that's our URL. We got it, xks321. This is the one that we're looking for. This is the one. So if I come back now, you can see it's there. It's sign your account. A time is 38:29. You can see it, and then when you click, redirect to that, to the login, and the person log in later on. So the person click on it first in this time. So 16:38:29, 16:38:29. So if we do that, we get then so it's basically the first one. So we know the name of the domain is source file. If we go back to this, we can see it's order by, is this ordering by time here? 38:30:55. Yeah, it's ordering. Where is source? This source.com. I can't see, it's too much busy, this one. Maybe said let's see, select just the URL. I don't need the rest. Okay, now we can see it clearly. Where type equal URL. But why doesn't it work if I say, for example, and URL like source secured. Let's see if this one work. Doesn't work. Okay, it's fine. So we have this. Where is that our link? We need a times here, URL timestamp login. Where are you, my friend? 4 of them. Oh, this is the URL, http login source, the 3 one, and we can get the same answer as 24:18:38:29. This is the part. This part, it was a bit easier. The only mistake I did there is how to go back here. The mistake I did when I left this, I didn't change it to UCT, so it took me time to figure out what was wrong. So I know the answer, but it couldn't work. I think we got it. So we have PowerShell to read the messages, and then we have this one to read the team, and you can play with the database, easier to check. So okay, we're done with the room. Thank you guys very much, and have a great day.